Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to show you everyone's favorite snack, French fries, in two different flavors. In this video, I'm going to share some tricks to follow to get a perfect texture, and also as a bonus, I'm going to show you guys a super yummy dip that goes great with French fries, grilled and fried foods. You can either deep fry it or fry it in the air fryer. I'm going to do it in the air fryer. If you want to deep fry it, try to fry it twice. First batch, fry it in low-medium heat and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Take it out and let it cool down completely. Then refry it again in medium to high flame until golden brown color. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more instant pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and instant pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. Let's get started. Take a big sized potatoes. Don't use the fresh harvest potatoes because they have a more moisture content than the old harvest. Moisture may affect the final product. Peel the potatoes and drop it in the water to stop the discoloration. Clean the potatoes nicely. Now cut the potatoes into thick slices and then cut into thick strips. If you want more crispy fries, cut into thin strips. Soak the potatoes in the cold water for at least 15 to 30 minutes. It helps to remove the starch from the potatoes and also avoids discoloration. This is time consuming process, so try to make it in a bulk so that you can just fry it whenever you want. In the meantime, we'll do peri-peri seasoning. Check on the ingredients, take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. Who doesn't love peri-peri? This is wonderful mix of herbs and spices turns French fries into mouth-watering snack. Take a bowl or mason jar, add powdered sugar, red chili powder or cayenne pepper, Kashmiri chili powder or paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, ground coriander, salt, dried oregano, dried parsley, ground ginger and cinnamon. If you want, you can also add half teaspoon of chili flakes. Close the lid and shake it or mix it well. You can change the amount of cayenne pepper or red chili powder in the recipe to suit your family's tastes. You can also use this mixture rubbed into chicken. It's ready now. Wow, it smells so good. Store it in the airtight container. It will be good for at least 6 months at room temperature. Set it aside. After 15 minutes, take the hot water, add 1 teaspoon of salt and soak the potato strips in the hot water for 10 minutes. It doesn't need to be a boiling water, just hot water is fine. Basically, we are blanching the potatoes. Meanwhile, let's make a seasoning for garlic rosemary fries. Check on the ingredients, take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. Mix chopped garlic, olive oil and rosemary together. You can use any oil for this. I prefer to use olive oil to get a better taste. Mix it well and keep it aside. After 10 minutes, drain the water completely. Now, pat dry the potatoes carefully. We don't want to break the potato strips. Now, it looks dry and good. To a bowl or ziploc, add potato strips, 1 teaspoon of oil, salt, peri-peri seasoning and cornstarch. Adding cornstarch will crisp the potatoes. Mix it well. Freeze it for at least 30 minutes before frying it. For garlic rosemary fries, to a bowl or ziploc, add potato strips, cornstarch, oil, salt and pepper. Mix it well and freeze it. If you want a regular fries, just fry it alone. You don't need to season it. You can fry this whenever you want. If you want a deep fry, just add cornstarch and potato and freeze it. If you are deep frying, you can season it later. Let's fry the fries. Cook the fries at 400°F for 15 to 25 minutes. Time differs for every air fryer model. Adjust according to it. Preheat the fryer for a couple of minutes. Mine preheats itself. Now add the potatoes in the fryer basket or rack. Make sure not to overcrowd the potatoes. Cook until golden brown and crisp. Shake the basket every 5 minutes to cook equally. While the fries is getting ready, let's make a dip for the fries. Check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. Take a mayonnaise in a bowl. I'm using homemade mayo. Check the description box below for the homemade eggless mayonnaise. Mix peri-peri seasoning to it and mix it thoroughly. Adjust the seasoning according to your spice level. I just add 1/4 teaspoon of peri-peri seasoning. The dip is ready and keep it aside. The fries is also ready. Repeat the same for garlic rosemary fries also. Toss the fries with the seasoning before serving it. Enjoy the super yummy hot fries with yummy dip. Thanks for for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.